This presentation introduces teachers who are part of the NECT ETDP SETA Maths and Science short course to a continuing support platform through a professional e-community of practice. Ongoing support for teachers participating in the program is provided at a number of levels. The first port of call is the peer group or cluster support. At the next level, district curriculum and subject support structures can be consulted, thereafter service provider trainers, and ultimately QASME lead facilitators. The Q&A forum is a platform to post and answer questions. It is dedicated to the NECT ETDP SETA short course. The forum will be monitored and moderated by facilitators of the course and includes an answer rating system. Before we get started, it's important to take note of the following technical requirements. The question and answer forum is a web-based system and therefore does require internet access. It is built on the Google Groups platform, which you may or may not be familiar with. It requires a Google or Gmail account sign-in. We will explain to you how to get a Google or Gmail account sign-in if you don't have one already. If you do not have a Google account sign-in, we'll take you through the process of getting this set up. If you already have a Gmail account or a Google account sign-in, you can skip this section. To get a Google account, please note that you do not have to change your email. You can use your existing email with the Google Groups sign-in. First step is to open your web browser and type in the address below. Please only do this if you do not have an existing Google or Gmail account. The address is accounts.google.com/signup-without-Gmail. If you have typed in the address correctly, you will see a screen that looks similar to this one. You will see a box that requires you to enter your first name and last name, your current email address, and then a password for you to access the service. You will receive an email message to the address that you have entered asking you to verify your details and agree to the policy and terms of service of the Google account. A verification email will be sent to you. Click on the link in the verification email to confirm your address and complete the setup of your Google account. Once you've completed the Google sign-up, you can then point your browser to groups.qasme.org.za. This will also be the step that you go to if you already had an existing Gmail account. You can simply go to groups.qasme.org.za, click on the Browse All button. You will see a link to the NECT ETDP SETA MS QandA forum. Click on the link and it will tell you that you need to be a member of this group to view and participate it. Click on the Apply for Membership button. The following window will appear, showing your name, asking if you wish to link to your Google profile, as well as your email address, and some options on email delivery. You can leave these as they are for now, and simply click on the Apply to join this group button. Once you've applied to join the group, a notification will be sent to the group moderators to verify your membership, and once the moderators have approved your membership, you will receive a message as follows, stating that you have been approved as a member of the group. You can then click on the link, the button that says visit the group, Using the forum is very self-explanatory. To post a new question, simply click on the New Question button. Give your question a title. We'll just say GeoGebra Applets. You'll see similar questions that have already been asked. If you find your question has been already asked, you don't have to post a new question. You can simply look for available answers. If there's no new question, simply type in the description box what your question is. And post your question. Another great feature of the forum is the ability to search the topics and search for questions. Simply put your cursor in the search box and type in your search string. And you'll find questions related to your search. We're now going to share some tips on how to make the best of your question and answer forum experience. One of the great features of the forum is that you can rate the responses to questions that have been posted. We'll show you how. On this question about GeoGebra Applets, you can see the responses. A good starting point is GeoGebra Tube. This response refers to Google communities. There's a great GeoGebra Google community. You think this is a good response, you can rate it by clicking on the green arrow to say I think this reply is helpful, or you could click on the red arrow to say I don't think this reply is helpful. When there are multiple responses to questions, you can choose whether to mark this as the best answer. So we're going to rate this one. Say we rate this as a good question and we think that this is the best answer. You can mark it as the best answer. Thank you for participating in this professional learning community. If you have any questions, please post them on the forum. All the best with the course.